Hey guys, coming at you with my Tuesday morning market video. Before I get into this, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. If you haven't watched my videos, I'm a long-term investor. That's really what I do and what I preach and what I like sharing. So today I want to get into a stock, Trulieve. Ticker is TCNNF, or TCNNF, excuse me. It's a MJ stock. It's one of my 2 or 3 positions. It's probably my top 10 largest position, nothing crazy though. It did close today at $32.23. That is a 6-month low. So this stock, I almost pulled the trigger on today. My cost base is around $38. So, I mean, it's a big dip. I mean, this stock was up to basically 50 at one point a couple months ago. So it's at a great price point. Really nothing has changed in the fundamentals of the business. So as a long-term investor, really that's what you got to look at. If you were buying it at $40, $45, or $50, which I was at one point, well, what in the fundamentals have changed? Has things gone backwards? Has there new management or anything like that? Well, there's been nothing. So with that said, really I should be buying right now. It's just I'm kind of just weary on the market in general right now. I just want to be prepared for a big correction just with the Delta variant coming and just unemployment and things like that are stopping soon in all states and stuff like that. So I just want to keep a lot of cash on the sideline right now, but this is a great buy. If you're not in the stock, obviously do your own research, but buying it at $32.23 is a very good deal in my opinion. Obviously it's at 6 months lows. We've had a crazy run in the SPACs and growth stocks recently. So, it's really down. So, and then as I just said, there's no crazy news on this stock. So it's a really good buy. I might be making a move if it goes down to, $32. Like if it goes to 30 to like 31, I'm going to have to do something and, add a little to my cost base. So news coming this week, Q2 earnings, a lot of big companies this week are getting released. So super exciting. Obviously most big stocks earnings comes out between Tuesday and Thursday. That's just how it happens. So some of them are Visa. So this will tell you basically how transactions are doing, how much people are spending and buying. So it gives you a really, really good gauge. I think MasterCard's later in the week, but I know Visa is definitely coming up. I think it might be tomorrow actually, or today. Google, obviously that's search engine, YouTube, just tells you how they're doing. They own so many things. That's a big one. That's a $1 trillion company. Microsoft, also $1 trillion company. It tells you a lot, in the tech segment. McDonald's is also showing earnings, obviously the biggest fast food player, or that most people know. So that shows you how much people are spending. I think McDonald's is going to do really well. The reason I say this, every McDonald's I go by, especially during like the past year, there's always been a line. I don't know if that's because there wasn't an inside section, so like the line just gets backed up or not, but I just feel like people are buying more fast food for some reason. I don't know why. That's just my opinion, but we'll see what earnings does. Amazon, obviously they're beasts. A lot of these things are priced to perfection now, so just keep that in mind. Even if they beat EPS and all that stuff, just tread with caution. I could see all these things pulling back because they're so rich in value right now. So that's just an FYI, but that's something big to look at. So the market's gonna have a crazy week up and down with volatility, I think. So everything's priced to perfection. So we'll see if we keep continuing this. If everything is priced to perfection and they beat or exceed, it's one of those things that I'm just even more wary because I think it's going higher and higher and higher, and it's going to just crash that much harder. So that's my opinion. I mean, most of my positions are at least 75% built out, so I'm kind of content with where I'm at. So I feel like I'm in a really good position, just in general. So I'm just stacking cash right now, waiting for an opportunity, and then I'm going to go from there. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. This is a great stock, great buying price, some news going on this week in the market. And that's it. Peace.